In this drum lesson, I'm going to show you another 5 powerful drum grooves that are perfect for beginners, and we're starting right now. What's up everyone, CJ here, hope you're all doing well. Being able to play a nice groove is the core of being a good drummer, whether you like that statement or not. So in this video, I'm gonna show you 5 drum grooves that are really beginner friendly and they all sound very powerful. If you wanna check out my first video about 5 powerful drum grooves for beginners, I'm gonna link that video right up here. Now, before we get started, all my channel members out there can download everything from this lesson via the link in the community tab. So if you wanna get access to some extra bonus content, consider joining the channel membership. Alright guys, so grab your drumsticks and let's do this. This first groove is extremely heavy and it's really not that difficult to learn. And if you want to hear this groove in context, you can listen to the song Reise Reise by the band Rammstein. If we look at the transcription, you can see that this groove is a 2-bar phrase, so it's a half-time groove. And this groove sounds really nice with a slightly open hi-hat. So make sure you accent the quarter notes on the hi-hat. In the first measure, the bass drum plays on beat 1 and on beat 4. And in the second measure, it plays on beat 1 and on beat 2. And since it's a halftime groove, the snare drum backbeat plays on beat 3 in both measures. Let's try it out at a slow tempo and then gradually increase the speed. Heavy stuff. Okay, groove number 2. Alright, this next groove is an iconic rock classic, and you can hear this very drum groove in the song Another Brick in the Wall Part 2 by Pink Floyd. It's a very simple groove, and sometimes, as they say, less is more, which is perfect for beginners. If we look at the transcription, you can see that it's a standard 4/4 groove with an open hi-hat on the end of 4. Let's try it out slowly and then gradually increase the speed. The goal tempo for this iconic groove is 105 BPM. education. So good, right? All right, you guys, on to groove number 3. Every drummer should learn the shuffle, and it doesn't have to be difficult. The shuffle is a swung groove, which means it's based off of triplets, in this case, 8th note triplets. So instead of counting 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, the shuffle, which is based out of triplets, is counted with triplets. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If we look at the transcription, you can start by playing this just like a regular 4/4 groove with the bass drum on 1 and 3 and the snare drum on 2 and 4. But as you can see, the hi-hat is playing the shuffle part. The hi-hat is playing the first and last 8th note triplet of every beat. So in this case, when you count this, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's try it out simply at first at a slow tempo and then gradually increase the speed. And when you're more comfortable with the shuffle, you can add more bass drum strokes. Awesome job, you guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Time for groove number 4. This groove is almost in metal drumming territory. This is a heavy floor tom groove, and it's actually fairly simple. But to be able to play this well, you gotta be able to execute a nice flam. If we look at the transcription, the bass drum plays on 1 and on the and of 2, 3 and on the and of 4. You play flams on the floor tom together with the bass drum on beat 1 and then on the of 2 and the e of 3. You also play a flam on the snare drum on beat 2 and 4. Now, of course, you don't need my kind of setup to be able to play this. Just apply it to your drum set. If you only have one tom, then play on that. Let's try it out at a slow tempo and then gradually increase the speed. Nice. On to the last groove, everyone. The last groove of this lesson is extremely powerful, and it's also a great groove for practicing open and closed hi-hat strokes. Let's look at the transcription. You can see that the hi-hat plays 16th notes, and you open the hi-hat on beat 1, the end of 1, and on beat 3 and the end of 3. You can see that little circle above the hi-hat, that means open hi-hat, and the plus sign means closed hi-hat. The bass drum plays together with the open hi-hat, and the snare drum plays on beat 2, the of 2, and beat 4. If you're having trouble playing the hi-hat pattern with one hand at higher tempos, then switch up and play with two hands. Okay guys, for the last time in this lesson, let's try it out at a slow tempo and then gradually increase the speed. There you go guys, 5 powerful drum fills, perfect for beginners, and I hope you have a fun time practicing these grooves. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. If you want to check out some more beginner-friendly videos, you can check out these videos right here. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.